Admit it, he's adopted.
How can I be adopted when I have a twin sister? Think, monkey. Think.
Cooper, you're late.
I know I'm late. My training wheels broke.
Training wheels?
Yes, Derek! I don't want to embarrass you, so I'm going to give you a moment to think about what you just said. I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
I think that's the only time I've ever heard you laugh.
That's the only time you've ever been funny. I have a job like an adult. I'm a very complicated person.